Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with commodity commentary for Wednesday. It's about 2:25 Eastern Time. Markets certainly were a little bit two-sided today. We started out much stronger in most of the markets, only to finish flat to lower. We'll get right to them. Over in cotton today, cotton tried to rally. The December still has retained some of its tightness fears, so it did trade up today, and we did go as high as 63, as high as 63.41, only to see a rapid setback and going at around 62 and a half cents. I think continue to see producer selling and a little bit of short covering by speculators, but nonetheless the path of the market's down. We put sort of an inside day pattern in today, which means we were trading inside of yesterday's high and low. That doesn't have to signify too much, but it certainly is a non-directional type pattern. We get exports out in the morning. You might recall a week ago exports were only 7,000 bales, so that was pretty negative. I think China had counseled some cotton in there, so we'll see. If we take out this week's Tuesday's low, which is the low of the week, 62.10, I don't see why we couldn't scoot on down and really try to check out that 60.80 low from September 25th. Over in the grains today, corn went up, made a new high today at 361, and then it faltered. I think that was a technical play as much as anything, but then the market, like I say, went down 9 cents and is going to go out around the 353 area. Beans today got much stronger than I thought they might. They got to 990. Then again, similar to other markets, reversed, traded down to 970. So these are typical two-sided and cockeyed rallies you have during harvest. But ultimately, you have to think with the huge yield and crop yet to come that it'd be hard for this market to really post a low in here, although a lot of people are looking for a low. Historically, I guess, or typically, we make a low in the month of October for corn and November for beans, but we put out a little special study on that today in a letter, so if you are a subscriber, you can get that and look at that. Stock market today sharply lower. It gotten back all of its Ebola losses, but now I think the reality of poor earnings by some major companies, and the fact crude oil is breaking is leaning on that market as well. So tomorrow morning, let's get exports, see what they are. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.